So up next, I got to get everything ready so I can bolt up this transmission. Here's my driver set that I showed on a different video. I just got my flywheel back from getting machined. It looks brand new now. I have everything I'm going to use laid out. Makes it easier on the install. First thing up is installing the pilot bushing. I decided to use a bushing instead of a bearing. No real reason why. You can hear the difference when it bottoms out. So the ring gear that was on here had a couple broken teeth. So I had to heat it up to get it off. So now I got a new ring gear from CJ Pony. So I'm going to do the same thing, heat up the ring gear, as you can see here, to get it to fit on this flywheel. I'm going to use the grill to heat it up. As you can see, it's about 575 degrees. I also have some ribs in the smoker while I'm doing this. They should be ready by the time I put this clutch on. So it's been in the grill for about 5 minutes. I figured I'd try it, and it still doesn't fit. I'll let it go another 5 minutes. So here's another check at the 10-minute mark, and it still doesn't fit. Keep it going another 5 minutes. So now it's the 15-minute mark, and there it goes. Let that sit for a while. We should be good. First up is the separator plate. Next, I'll put the flywheel on. I'm gonna put it on and put a couple bolts on just to hold it. So now I'm going to use thread locker on each bolt. I'm using the blue, which is removable. And I'm going to tighten these down with impact wrench, but I have it set on the low setting because this will need a torque wrench on it. So you want to tighten these in a star pattern. The specifications for these bolts is 75 to 85 foot-pounds of torque. I'm cleaning this because I did get some thread lock on the flywheel, so I just want to make sure there's none of that or any oils on it. So up next is the pressure plate. The kit I bought from CJ Pony comes with alignment tool, as you can see here. Make sure it's on right. Up next is the clutch disc, and these are the bolts I bought for them. These are the 5/16 bolts. These require 25 foot-pounds of torque on these. Again, I'm just going to get 2 bolts started so that it's aligned right. This is my helper. He's tired and he just wants to go to bed. It is getting kind of late, but I'd like to finish this. Okay, so I'm going to put thread locker on each bolt. This is the blue one, so it's removable. I am going to use the impact wrench again, but again, I'll have it on the lowest setting. You don't want to over tighten these. So now I'll use the torque wrench, and these are 25 foot-pounds of torque. So next I'll be doing some painting. I gotta paint the transmission, bell housing, and whatever else I can find. Then I can install this transmission. And that'll be on the next video.